How crypto billionaires literally made their fortune. What a difference a year makes, especially for cryptocurrency diehards. When the U.S. economy tanked in March 2020, panicked investors dumped stocks and risky assets for cash and treasuries. Bitcoin's price fell 50% in a day, and other cryptocurrencies followed as the public braced for the unknown. Do you know how people are becoming billionaires from Bitcoins? It's a digital gold rush. The surge in the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies pushed new crypto billionaires onto the list. We're going to find out in today's video, where we discuss how crypto billionaires literally made their fortune. But before we go on with our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for new videos. Now let's get started. There are nearly 6,000 as of 2021, a severe increase from just a handful of digital coins in 2013. However, a large portion of these cryptocurrencies might not be that significant. Bitcoin pole vaulted in 2021, with prices briefly surpassing $60,000 per coin in March. Other tokens saw similar gains, pushing the total cryptocurrency market capitalization to over $1.5 trillion. Due to how open the creation process of cryptocurrency is, it's relatively easy to make one. Indeed, it's believed that the top 20 cryptocurrencies make up nearly 90% of the total market. Store of value. The exponential rise in Bitcoin's price has piqued the curiosity of large institutions and even Wall Street. For example, in 2010, a developer used the site bitcointalk.org to purchase 2 pizzas using Bitcoins. After a few years, the value of those Bitcoins has increased to $425 million. They're now worth more than $2,600, but there's not much to spend it on. As a consequence, there are a total of 11 billionaires, which is a new high. Chris Larsen, net worth $2.9 billion. Larsen, who is 60, is a serial entrepreneur who co-founded internet lender eLoan in 1997 and peer-to-peer lender Prosper 8 years later. The third gamble has proven to be the most profitable and divisive. In 2012, he co-founded Ripple with Jed McCaleb to make blockchain technology and a currency called XRP to help banks make international payments. The Bitcoin boom momentarily increased his worth over $17 billion in January 2018. When the bubble broke later that year, XRP, like the rest of the market, collapsed. Larsen was listed as a defendant in a Securities and Exchange Commission complaint filed in December 2020, alleging that Ripple offered XRP to the public in an unregistered securities offering. In a statement, Ripple stated, "The SEC is totally incorrect on the facts and the law." Sam Bankman-Fried, net worth $4.5 billion. Bankman-Fried, who started the quantitative crypto trading business Alameda Research in 2017, controls $2.5 billion in assets at the age of 28. He founded FTX, a crypto derivatives exchange, in 2019. He's an MIT graduate and former Wall Street ETF trader. The majority of his money is invested in FTX stock and tokens, FTT. Brian Armstrong, net worth $6.5 billion. His Bitcoin is one of the most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, with roughly $3 billion in trading. After working at Deloitte and Airbnb, Armstrong, who's 38, co-founded the exchange in 2012. It is presently the most valued crypto company in the United States. Armstrong controls about 20% of Coinbase, which submitted a secret IPO filing in December. "I wanted the world to have a worldwide open financial system that encouraged innovation and freedom," the press-shy entrepreneur told Forbes when asked why he went into the industry. Michael Saylor, net worth $2 billion. He was the CEO of software business MicroStrategy, one of the most well-known internet CEOs, even making People magazine's list of most eligible bachelors. However, due to dubious accounting, his financial records had to be restated, and the dot-com bust caused his stock to plummet. He's on this list as a result of 2 major moves. MicroStrategy revealed in December 2020 that it had purchased 70,784 Bitcoins for $1.1 billion, now worth $2.5 billion, and borrowed $65 million, helping to push the stock up more than 300%. Furthermore, Saylor claims to have purchased 17,732 Bitcoins for $175 million, or about $650 million. Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, net worth $1.6 billion each. The twins, who are most known for accusing fellow Harvard student Mark Zuckerberg of stealing their concept for a social network, spent a portion of their $65 million court settlement with the Facebook CEO in 2012 to begin hoarding Bitcoin. They still have an estimated 70,000 Bitcoins, as well as other digital assets in their possession. They co-founded cryptocurrency exchange Gemini in 2014, and it now conducts roughly $200 million in deals each day. Changpeng Zhao, CZ, net worth $1.9 billion. In 2014, the former software developer sold his Shanghai home to invest entirely in Bitcoin. Binance was founded in the summer of 2017 and became the most popular cryptocurrency trading platform in less than a year. It has subsequently established a variety of business lines, including a venture capital fund and a Bitcoin mining company, as well as a debit card that allows you to spend your cryptocurrency throughout Europe. He flipped burgers at McDonald's and worked midnight shifts at a gas station to help cover family costs as the son of a professor who was temporarily banished from China. Barry Silbert, net worth $1.5 billion. Following the sale of his company's stock trading platform, Second Market, to NASDAQ in 2015, the Emory University graduate founded Digital Currency Group, a conglomerate of 5 firms. Grayscale, a digital asset manager that manages $28 million in Bitcoin, Ether, and other assets, is the company's main income producer. Grayscale was the first to obtain a regulatory approval to sell securities backed by Bitcoin to institutional and accredited investors, taking advantage of a typical first-mover advantage. This currently earns about $590 million in income every year. Jed McCaleb, net worth $1.4 billion. McCaleb, who's 46, was an early pioneer who helped start 3 crypto companies. He founded Mt. Gox, the world's first significant Bitcoin exchange, in 2010 and sold it a year later. He co-founded Ripple in 2012, but departed shortly after due to alleged conflicts with other founders. In 2014, he co-founded Stellar, a Ripple rival worth $4.8 billion in asset value that promises to speed up cross-border payments. The majority of McCaleb's fortune stems from the estimated 3.4 billion XRP he still has left over from his original 9 billion XRP as a Ripple founder. McCaleb is most known for founding the file-sharing service eDonkey 2000, which paid $30 million to record labels to resolve a copyright infringement case in 2016. Tim Draper, net worth $1.1 billion. This scion of a Silicon Valley investing family and founding partner of Draper Fisher Jurvetson has made hundreds of venture capital investments in businesses such as Tesla and Theanos. In 2014, he paid $18.7 million for 29,656 Bitcoins, taken by U.S. Marshals from the defunct Silk Road illicit marketing, priced $632 per coin. They're currently valued at $1.1 billion. In an email to Forbes, he says, "I purchased a few more along the road, but not enough to pass the Winklevi." But he won't say how much money he has. I'd prefer not to take the proctology exam. Matthew Rozak, net worth $1 billion. Rozak, a longtime crypto advocate, worked in venture capital, and as an entrepreneur, he also paid insider trading charges in 2006, before beginning to build a crypto portfolio in 2012. Today, he works as a co-founder and chairman of Blog, a Chicago-based blockchain technology firm that advises on initiatives including helping institutions securely hold digital assets. Rozak recently co-led a campaign to offer each member of Congress $50 in digital assets. Some members of Congress accepted, but not all. This was our list featuring the Bitcoin billionaires. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let us know in the comments section below. Please press the like button, as we do appreciate it, and it helps us immensely. It would also be a great time to encourage you to subscribe, because we upload new stuff all the time. Subscribe and we'll keep you up to date with all the latest videos. Till next time, thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care and be safe.